politics no ewo Sampa no yadoso. Asantehene, I'm calling on you this morning, Asantehene, and tokwana ewo Sampa no enya yeni saa enkwada ya yewu. Eye omainu state no under the leadership of the interior minister, the regional minister. Any omu kika ho a they are omu enimu yefo a omu di omu enimu a omu puli eyi no eye dormaahene sumahene. Hwene ekoso wo Sampa. Samudua nkwadai ne nkrofo yi akohyeshi nkrofo fie aye nioma. Ade abechiama ye hunu ni say they have gone. The omukoye nyina said they've gone there to beaten and kwada ukohwe videos a and kwada omu papa no mu fie ahyi na omu nim baby a omu de beda na Samgba Gyafla amu ma beda ne fie ho a omu ko school kwada 12 years 8 years na hwe say asoja sefo atimi akofie wako bru kwada yama omu hu nyina titititi. Now I don't understand, Mr. Regional Minister. That bunu champion agenda na amuye na enunti mu yesa nyoma no na mukoso amuye no. How long do you think this thing can go?
We a quick one. And yeah, yenya free Sampa ne say military men and as soldiers akọ na Samgba Gyafla fie akoye eurukasam basa wo fie kese why benya wode ombetete wonam. Asemi say no kre senya no kre. Na Samgba Gyafla personal assistant Nicholas Mahama akasa no wachirechirem de see. Ye more up to date. Asema enkensu de esi was Sampa. Aye na Samgba Gyafla fie. Asema esi ho ama wonya bi etie. Yenti asema Mahama ekan.
It was for me that was see. Aye Sampa man hini na Samgba Gyafla ni personal assistant me pese me ni udin komo. There is an emergency we need to talk about. I say me ni udin komo ne yehwe nyoma bi a ekoso. Politics no ewo Sampa no yadoso. Enti sa nyoma eni nyoma na ekoso no eno eni yepese nyoma bi a ekoso sesi ya no yehwe. Enti medamasi. We a very simple information I want to send across. President Mahama Yabesro, the way I can say you swear to protect the Constitution of Ghana and no any person we don't care where your support is, but don't use the state resources trying to intimidate us because say you perceive say yeno yebusiano we are not in alliance with your party, which is false. Yebusiafo bebre ewo MDC mo. But you've accepted that false narration, say they are rather with your party and therefore you are using the state's resources to fight against us. Asantehene, I'm calling on you this morning, Asantehene, and tokwana ewo Sampa no enya yeni saa enkwada ya yewu. Eye omainu state no under the leadership of the interior minister, the regional minister. Any omu kika ho a they are omu enimu yefo a omu di omu enimu a omu puli eyi no eye dormaahene sumahene. Hwene ekoso wo Sampa. Samudua nkwadai ne nkrofo yi akohyeshi nkrofo fie aye nioma. Ade abechiama ye hunu ni say they have gone. The omukoye nyina ne said they've gone there to beaten and kwada ukohwe videos a and kwada omu papa no mu fie ahyi na omu nim baby a omu de beda na Samgba Gyafla amu ma beda ne fie ho a omu ko school kwada 12 years 8 years na hwe say asoja sefo atimi akofie wako bru kwada yama omu hu nyina titititi. Now I don't understand, Mr. Regional Minister. That bunu champion agenda na amuye na enunti mu yesa nyoma no na mukoso amuye no. How long do you think this thing can go? Omu ninam kromo omu shishi niwa no omu exchange gunshot with the police. These facts are there. You've allowed them. Dormaahene di tax bebre beye nipa bebre abaho. Like when you ba amawa or the tuoni nyoma ninam ho, you didn't say anything. Uko yako G on a restriction say you've restricted them not to do it. They came to do it. You didn't do anything. na ebinom a ya attack ya se wo munyoma no mo abana na fie no na you've come to invade Nana Samgba Gyafla's house, destroy things there, beaten and kwada, and then arrested old men for ayashishi omufie edi omoko. What sort of Ghana are we building? And Santimai, I'm using this medium to call say near Ekosu or Sampa no. It's not yani sa reference, yani sa hooligans. Samgba Gyafla enya yani omuna anyon. Eye abayino state agencies, the military for ya training mo professional. Na military be kwada kwada say they are beating children. Military ya training mo who need to act, but omo ba no ma for omo busuafo a omo ye military fo a omo wasunyan atapaska anum ni omo keka ho ni omo di omo ba no omo bedi sankwase asam no omo di omo ko. Enti anytime they are coming, then they call the Samgba Gyafla and say munwane free ho, then no ma sheda kofifa omo fie mu no ma kaso ye ko ho ko ye say, then they will come to Nana Samgba Gyafla's house obi a ya gazette no amra protecting no na wa benefie wetimi awrada bia mu no wa sese nneoma empire wo ho ma sai ni nyina mo bro enkwada 12 years, 8 years, ne yima bro mama kuro di da omachi. What kind of people are you? Omuko eho yi ko hunu otumfuo pictures e bubo ho no ma jiji dia to form. Asantemai, we are calling on you. Near AC was Sampa no enya ye ne san kwada no mu ye. They know they cannot face us. Enunte na eba na abai no aba no ababa attack yen or attack ye we are no akotwen say they are attack mo ya weaken them into monko na monko attack them. And that is what is happening. This is the second time a military for Baho in the name so Muba Befatuo every year. But why say Obia Waditio enam or Mumu Kunkum Krofo or Mumu Shishin Krofo fear in the glare of the police for whom you are not doing anything? Mesremo, we are telling the police and the military say Niomube ye was a sign of cowardness. Is a sign of cowardness. If they are proper military people, they should go. Iran near you for no more innocent and kwada, innocent and kwada. 12 years, 11 years. No wa banwa babe bro na kwasa we a military person. Now wakoda. Because when they are coming, then they bring the Samgba Gyafla boys no muya military mu wasunyane atapaska. You see atapaska no or no any training or can trainers for no. Ne sentino boys no anymore. And to omo ba no mata mum di omaba, then they will come and beat innocent people. And kwada eko say nyoma ko run another mu ko say ntuma eyeye nyoma asantemai otumfuo pictures e boho ne nyina omo yiyi ne nyina gu. President Mahama in Boku, who catch Boku for say, you are with the gazetted chief. And then, because I wouldn't say one no mundia, wouldn't say one no ye o party or your party or muka party when because of that, and the otumfuo can and you agree with that. The same otumfuo na or can Boku diana with G2 mu and non to kochi obino. So the same otumfuo no ne can Sampa diano. Don't be hypocrites. Don't be hypocrites. Mesremo. Asantemai mesremo, mon sorry. Near air kosuno, and yet a fight against only Nana Samgba Gyafla and an crew for. It's a fight against Asantemai as a nation. Because dormaahene timidin in Saboni Buse, or no was see hini, ewa ni kura a fro saying boma. Now obi also a bam on sister. Sampa eye otumfuo de asem ba ya Samgba Gyafla ya so asem ne di ba ya otumfuo aka wie na waka wie na waye ne bibia wie na enu echi no you come back and said what? Huh? What sort of politics is that? There politics near no. And Timothy said, if you think that they are men, Safi said Samgba Gyafla no ye member. Na enyo mo, why won't you allow them to face us? Na always no, you bring military. No, the police if waba, them way or when they are fooling, then you allow them to be doing it. When they are burning marketed, then you allow the omu shit gunning yakika home for property, then you allow them. Then you come and kwada adida. No wababe brun krofo and kwada ya say ya shi omo papa no mu fie. Ah munim say ya shi omo papa no fie di omo ba no maba. Enti we are telling the government our parents were resilient. Ye nananum, they were very resilient. Ni omutimi ya emra abunufo yi sori tia wom. Ah omutimi china ya besu samre, we also survive this one. We are telling them. Hwene ya dormaahene ka say Sampa eye sumadia. Na obenya proud Sampa ni a obakodi we echi say Sampa ehye sumahene ase. Hwe obi a wo friend din ohene kwame we Jimmy. Not in my place, however, say, oh, baby, make a comment to her. When you come here, use your brain. Oh, baby, page ya. Use what brain, not use your brain. Na munyai, sa, and Jimmy Ama, and Crofway, use my brain. You don't allow it to work for you. Auntie, we know what we will do. And no, dear, we know. The Amukoya and Rahono, it was a sign of cowardness. Military, Ghana military amusi muya professional. Police for amusi muya professional. Then you can go and hide in the darkness and go and beat and kwada. No what proper. Me the video be at woman for full video into a kwada. Sa 12 years, 8 years. No more ko brum kwada ya proper one. Now so we are military ni. Now the number month is one hour ko you pay. Look at this nonsense. President Mahama, you are the commander-in-chief. When I swear the oath of the nation that you will do, you've allowed a dormaahene, sumahene, any sunyani, a regional minister, any DC, and omuya sanyoma we. Look, I say, Karimu citizen, betimia sofona sini wants to say, Munkuna na Samgba Gyafla, Obia mubenya biya munkunu. Then you have citizens, ubenya reasonable people, ubenya nkrofua, bagima. Then they see nothing wrong with this. But they will go while people are sleeping, they will hide behind the darkness and go and arrest innocent people and be beaten children. We are telling you guys. Ye nananom sa abunufo yi somafo yi a kotifo ma omu asase hye ya omu hye hoi enne dormaahene ka se ye ya asase no ye bibia eye somadea. And that is the agenda, but people don't know. Na benya omu sebi omu ye sa de na omu de echi no, because enyo omu nananom na chichire Sampa enti they don't care nipa eba kodi ni nsamo enti they don't have any problem with it. Said dormaahene say Sampa eye somadea. Menim se baby anana kofi sono eni nim titron phone nyina wo no omo be dane ewo omo we mu regional minister only regional minister in forever. DC only DC forever. I'm telling you guys, the chaos that you are creating, the problems that you are creating in Sampa, hey monhwe military for many I'm totally many the way I'm making cry many a professional military men now kwada mako bro mo prapra wom. Ghana Army, we are calling on the Ghana Army say they should investigate Pascal oye Mr. Pascal ba oye military ni ewo sunyane oka omu training omu no. And he always have informants within them. And when they want to move to go and arrest, no afraid omu akacho no mabani, then they go to Nana Samgba Gyafla fie obi a waya man hina ya gazette no makoho nananum ya shi omu fie omu da ho enkwada omu papa no fie ahia nana se montra ho na montimi nko school se ne be ya mo school be ya we no. Then you see such people, military man ya training you professionally. Now we go busan kwada way. What kind of nation are we forming? Asantehene, we are calling on you. Rise up in solidarity with Nana Samgba Gyafla. Na yem protect what rightly belongs to Asantehene. Say Oma Beyeno NDC ntokwa Oma Babeyeno munu champion dormaahene menim adikudia oyema yera mahama esumbu sin Sampa nipa ewo Sampa menim ne dormaahene yema NDC asade no sumbun sin enkrofo mo Sampa enkwa menim adekudi a dormaahene yema yɛwura mahama ene NDC esumbu sin Sampa asondwie menim ne oyema no esumbu esin enkwada fa ahudi wo Sampa obi anka na komanto ne yam obi biara anka na komanto ne yam Sampa manhene eye nipa baako pɛ onene nana Samgba Gyafla otoso mmienu Sampa eye asanteman dia monko pɛ sa in front sa kohwini boy no aye friend of Daniel Okra no monko hwɛ ne video na monhwɛ dia na ɔka ye ɔse ye ba asanteman akyɛ na wo dormaahene wo betra wo se ye master ne somaahene aye som debe bunu hene judge muwa judge otemwani wo tra ne pasem so ka this one can only happen in Ghana. This can only happen in Ghana. If not, I would read say in 1818 emra na asanteman ekutia egusa ebunu your friend is saying the adinkra war no ye Sampa for we fought ye ni asantefo ye kunwa asantefo afa against then yina awoka no ema ye gu adinkra senka ye hye suma echi a ye den ekọ ema ye ni asante ekabomu ekon etiamo you only don't want to accept history, but when your politicians are almost shamechi no mu yemo enti mu amu frefre oh dear na see ni na se no mon kama komanta mu yem. There were coward police, coward militaries personnel omo call Sampa under the instruction of the regional minister which was orchestrated by the your friend is saying Sumahene and dormaahene and an interior minister and omo call ye ko invade na Samgba Gyafla fie omo ko invade ye ebu nkoda Jesus nkoda primary school nkoda prapra wom enkokurafo echi wom e de omo call ye. But we are telling you, say, the history of Sampa, the resilience of asanteman ye kahono, you will not be able to defeat us. Enti asanteman mon sorry. Say Oma declare say between asanteman and Bono, and we need to fight it accordingly. Look at this idiot. That idiot, Karamu citizen. Etiwo kase munkuwe. Then you have an interior minister. You have a Ghana police. You have a EBIC from cyber vetting. You have them. They are all hypocrites. And they've allowed this idiot to stay where he is and be fooling. Yera no prekupe. Emra Sampa okun eminiyen. Emra na ni patiati ya fa ahudie so wo sori ye. Wo beji Sampa. What was Sampa ho ban up to now? Enye ene ena dormaahene ene somaahene ene regional minister ene interior ministers be sorry. Omo no ne asante ekọ ne susa no we num de susa kra. Enti ni aka mu amobisa se ne de na aka de na aka no. Ne ye de yewra kroni ne dia. Ya kache no ne yebeye no yeba mama swati ba ne me kache mu nyina ne se obi anka na koma nto ne yem. President Mahama no ankasa kaaye o se aban entimi nsesa hwe nkonwasem, but aban no is using the state military and the police trying to see that they can intimidate us. You cannot muntimi ti bedamasi pa nyame nka mo ho obi biara omo prapra nkwada ye buru omo ne nyina no ena no pe na Samgba Gyafla frɛ na waka kire omo se omo nkɔ na yemfa omo nkɔ hospital na yenkɔ hwɛ wom omo nso a mpanyinfo na ye de omo kɔ ye no na na beya nkrofo ama omo akɔ hɔ akɔ hwɛ wom enti obi anka na komanto ne yem. We will overcome this. Read my lip. We will overcome this. NDC yenim se nya NDC fo nyina na supporto sebi nkwasi asem ayekosu yi yenim pa enya NDC fo nyina na support so sebi dormaahene ene somaahene nsem hunu a omo yi benim pa because binom ni kasa we know say that silent majority now, sensible ones now among them no, will begin to see that near dormaahene you know, it will be a problem for the entire country. And they will begin to stand up. Ti medamasi. Mo amuwo Sampa obi anka na komanto ne yemu. Omo ye to trust them. Mo amunim. We don't destroy things. Omo anu mo hihye omo nuama. Omo hihye no omo ye no omo say omo nuama wi a no omo de abehye yen say ye na akohihye omo dan. We don't destroy. Now no that idiot. Muti baby na mo so ye no so Sampa ye ni bibia wo ho. Na no sa idiot carry mo citizen. Ye mo kan say omo we your friend is saying omo kan say ye be hye ne ma me fie. Say mo hunu dan fu dudu a obubo no the same that small area. Wo hu dan obubo say ye dia. Enti muti baby no mu gimu kire mo no mu kan kwase asem kire mo na mo nso nanam se mo adwene no mo agyae ne usage no e dia man krofo kakra bi no ntro mo nyuso mo adwene enti o mu twa ntro bi e kan semfo bi kire mo a na mo afa na mo nso mo de gimi ne e benya krofo bi then they will see somewhere and be fooling. Mo feel say like they are men some moduafo no mo si o mo do so a mo gya wo mo a why will you come as with the military? Why will you come with the police to come and attack us? So wouldn't pass. You said they are in majority. You said they are this. Why then do you mobilize the state resources to come, Mr. Regional Minister? We are disgrace. You are a total disgrace. Obrofu kakurani weji kurano ukasa. I don't see the essence of your education. You are a total disgrace. Any DCE. Among all the men in NDC, when you are as a DCE, who cannot think outside the box, and you sooner guinea, and who knows sebi, and some who need your mana or moyeno, it will destroy the very town you want to be a DCE on. Tiabeda will be Biarasi. Obiankana come Antony Yem. Obiankana come Antony Yemo. Na the Omoyen, they are all empty. Enkusia ga entiminsi sambi bia omupa President Mahama pe kurampo na o Messi Castle fufuro ewo Sampa na Samu Farouk Ahmed nkodamu he will never be Sampa man hini da enti omupa NDC for they should even go to parliament and pass LA omupa omunko passi de ben adibia ombe passi bi omunko passi it will not change anything. Sampa man hini eni nana Samgba Gyafla otosum yenu medasi ya menka mo ho no mo ho ban mrepa mo no ye besen hye biom me ba ye wo baby enti mo amowo akire mo amowo ye kro mo amowo Sampa obi anka na komanto no yem se ne ye bia memeka no ye nya bibi ense Sampa so ndwie omo ka kyerem se ye kohyishi dan koku obi omuboa we don't kill ye nya awidifo ye nana titi no ansa na ye beton obi no no ye na ne suban ye ne ya ton no to omo ya ton omo asifo no no munye boy ya oku me paternal relations na me ofai ne oku no sa tam no sa boy no ni nana no ye widini ono ankasa de wo ma sei ebo ne ba eku no eno ne ma ye nana jano. And these are the kind of people with criminal traces. Obama they are all criminals. And then they hide behind politics because Mosini Akwadana or Sampa or Yakromfo or Tit or Han Yirisa na Kunu. We are na Yiru Yeno. Sag Akromfo any with the 4 years, the same with the 4 now. And they will bring problem in the town, but we need to use our mind. And you soon be able to train their solving now. Until we will solve it, Sampa will be great again. Obianka na come Anthony Yem. Politicians can never, they cannot change it. They cannot. And in here, soldiers for paying the for more Ghana. Say Sampa Ntokwa, ma dane no bono, any asante Ntokwa. Na mumu soldiers for mo ye professional. Mo betra military no asante for nim. Military no asante for mu nimu bi. Police for asante for mu nimu bi. Na mo betna ho na bunu champion agenda no mo be use military no to fight that one. Military no muni asante for mu nimu bi. Asante for military mpanyine for no mu nimu bi. Police mpanyine for no mu nimu bi. Na mo bejai dormaahene ene sumahene any regional minister to be using Bunu champion to be using the military and the police fighting Bunu champion. Namuti wadian, why won't you also identify Monsono or Muba? Then you allow them to do selective. No mudi, those who are allegiance to the Bunu no masalatu maba no mababe bro and kwada sana mu professional yachiramo, sana mu training no yachiramo. And kwada to be beaten in kwada. Madam asi. Ye bi na meba enti nyame adumu a ne ebeba na ebeba. Enti mesre baby ade na duru ni de very open. Very open. And nuntina the regional minister, the interior minister can authorize say soldiers ni military, soldiers ni police for emra ahomache emra nkwada eda a o meku school a o ya hye o mu papa no mu fi a ya gya wom a o mu di o mabeda ho na makoburu nkwada prapra wom pictures no videos no me de betu so a Facebook for ka kire me say obi pra na yi a ema me mfa nto so because emra sa a guy he could to trust him was soma or born in 9 on one casa pra ne hwin and the 9 boy you know they call me to have a discussion with me say obi prime am infant to they've beaten and kwada prapra wom aden ente Ghana military and the Ghana police, you are not there for any politician, you are there for the citizens. You are not there for bully champion agenda. So be person of former BB, ya former we and mera asantehene kun e konka a Bunu area one now where was Bunu champion. Then you have politicians behind people and be doing certain things. Madam Wasi, Yamin come on. When they say ye rabba, ye bebona mani and ye see ye, and in ye police for the soldiers for koye. Enti Moa de bia mo kasa say na when they know that they cannot because and some and your man mu ye ya mu shishi nkrofo fie ne no they knew say we will retaliate no mo fi say ye ba ko ye bibi and nunti na no mu suro a omo ko share regional minister echi and ono nso friend interior and omo ma order say omo nko and omo di omo ba ho a omo ba ye nyamana nsam ya sese nioma omo ba ye ru pictures a ye di abobbo hono nyina o magigi ni nyina gugu foma tiatia so na oma sese dan no bed e wo oma sese enkwada bubu oma prapra wom. Will that change anything? No. Mupa munku Sampa fo nyina Farouk Ahmed ontimi nye ohini da because when ye this year say Sampa da ho kwakra he can never be ontimi nye ni nana binano a ye nana nwa kofi edi esika kokokoto no ya sase no ntiase da. That is the truth. Adama Watara onim menim say baby owo bia onim baby owo bia no eye hu ana ye na wontimi ma bonten embeka bibi ko osrowom onim nyoma woni o ma ya eye boni in the sense no osro eno ntia because menim say baby a wo bia no onim say baby a wo di Sampa akoduru no okọ emre so na okọ ekohia ye nananom ho a omo ne bedi ne nyunyunu no because wanya de problem say ye wo mu nyina no oka ho bi ba me mpai bone say ne ho beba nani beba ne ho so na wanya adwensa kira ansa na wakoye nananom nchen nti Madam Wasi asantehene must rise up. This is not when ye agro soldiers for ni police for omu yi mu mpanyinefo no munso mu ya asantefo ni bi enti yi nkrofo so mu mra Sampa mu nyae ma ye nyi bunufo no emma omu mba execute bunu champion agenda mu nyae mo mu nye sade no mu nyae mo mu nye sade no enti nyame nka mo ho no mo ho ban interior minister obian kan kire wo say bra we can protect ourselves but don't use the police trying to intimidate us. I had to say obi kuna so mame ni kan me wo power me na me wo state power no mame nko yesi wi anama kwa attack won moboa. Madam Wasi I have to go and do something at the funeral ground tinyame adoma ye besen hye biom.